So, do you have one of those kids who is exceptionally bright, can really understand topics that are well ahead of their age, but then you can't get them to remember their lunchbox when they come home from school? And you're like, what is this? Is it the absent minded professor thing? What is it that causes this child to be so capable in terms of being able to learn very high level math or understand concepts and issues beyond their age, but they can't remember their lunchbox when they come home from school? We oftentimes talk about these children as being twice exceptional. What does that mean? Exceptional in their capabilities and intelligence, but also exceptional in terms of they do have cognitive weaknesses. And we think that, oh, it's going to even it out. It's going to, over time, take care of itself. But what we know is that it doesn't. It doesn't take care of itself. And it can be very frustrating if you're one of those children who has superior cognitive abilities, but is held back by a slow processing speed or a lower working memory, because you understand what needs to get done. You understand the concepts, you understand what you are trying to accomplish, but you cannot execute. And now you're feeling very behind, and you don't understand why these kids who don't have your capabilities are able to get this simple task done and you can't. So then you start to think of yourself as not as capable, and it starts to create a lot of doubts. So what do you do for these kids? You train these skills. You get them up, you close that gap. They might have some skills that are in the 90th, 95th, 99th percentile, and some of these other skills might be in the 50th. We've seen some as low as the 10th percentile. That can be just so challenging. So let's close that gap, target, train them, strengthen those skills in working memory, processing speed, long-term memory, whatever the skill is that they struggle in, so that they don't have to have this chain and ball for the rest of their life, that they can actually realize and enjoy the wealth of capability they have.